Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm dressed up today, and that is only because today we're going to recreate my farewell look, my farewell makeup, and how I got this glittery eye for my farewell. To see how I got this glittery look and the glittery eye, keep watching. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I've already done my brows, so we'll directly go on to the eye makeup. So let's get started. So first thing first, we're gonna apply concealer all over our eyelids so that it creates a nice base for our makeup. With the help of a beauty blender, we're just gonna dab all that in.
I know I'm looking a little weird right now, but it's gonna look good later, of course.
This is just to let the concealer set on your eye. Just gonna use some compact powder. I'm gonna take a warm brown color so that we blend all of that in. After that, you take any random palette that you have and you just go in with the color of your choice. Here I've taken a maroon color basically. So you work all the way till the center, not the entire lid. You're not going to be covering the entire lid, just half of it. Once that's done, you take a lighter color, that is, you take a red. After maroon, you take red. You just fill in the center. You take a little bit of concealer and you just create a cut crease effect. Just blend it in. Yeah, that should work well. Then you go back with your warm brown color, so you just blend your edges in.
After that, you're gonna take some glitter again from any eyeshadow palette that you have. There's no compulsion of using any particular eyeshadow. You can just use whatever you have. It really doesn't matter because I'm not promoting any brand here. No.
So after that, you go in with a shimmery color. So you take a little bit of the pink glitter, just add it in the center. Yeah, and then you take the color here, a light golden color, and you just blend that with the pink.
If it's a little more, we can always fix it. So I again go for the pink one, and you highlight the pink part, the pink part. So yeah, that you go back with your maroon and red a little, and you just let things work together.
So
next what we're going to do is we're going to line our eyes. So I have my favorite liner here, which is from Color Bar. It's amazing. So
I just love the way I do my eyes. I don't know why I'm talking. I don't know why this is happening. I can't talk properly today. This is the most important part of your makeup. If your eyes don't do justice, you get disappointed. Like, I love doing my eyes, and if it isn't perfect, I don't leave the house without getting my eyes the perfect look. That after that, you take your kajal, of course, and then again we take you can go ahead and add a little more glitter on your eyes. I have this glitter liner, which I also use on my eyelid to give it a little more glam, glittery look. So we're going to go ahead and line our lips, and I am using this maroon red lip liner to line my lips. I don't like my lip liner popping out, so I merged it a little by just dabbing my lip like that. And yeah, after that I take my red lipstick that is in the shade Crimson from Lakme 9 to 5. Then I forgot my mascara, so yeah, so I just go ahead and add some mascara. If you guys want me to recreate any particular look, you can definitely comment below or DM me, and I'll try my best to recreate that look.
mascara does wonders to your eyes. Like, makes your eyes look so pretty. Sometimes even when you don't apply liner or any eye makeup, just apply mascara and you're good to go.
I'm sure you guys as well make funny faces while applying mascara, liner or anything. If you guys do so, let me know. So we go ahead and finish my face, and I'll be back. So that is it, you guys. That's how I got this glittery eye makeup look for my farewell. And if you liked my look, comment down below and let me know what you guys would want to see next, and I will try my best to do that for you guys. And if you have any questions, comments or concern, you can write me down, or you can DM me and also comment down in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button. Your views matter, your subscription matters. It's free of cost, yeah. So that is it, you guys. That was my farewell look. If you liked my look, comment down below, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that as well. See you next time. Bye.